Hi, in this video I'm going to go through the answers for question 2b to 2f for tutorial 1.1. For those of you who haven't watched the earlier video where I went through question 2a, please go ahead and watch that video first before you watch this one, because in that video I listed out step by step how to take a micrometer measurement. For the subsequent questions which I'm going to go through over in this video, I wouldn't be so detailed. I'm assuming that you already have the knowledge of how to read a micrometer screw gauge measurement. Okay, so let's just now take a look at question 2b. The first step is to locate where the timber starts, right, which is this point as I have highlighted in blue. Just by looking at this point, right, we know that the measurement is somewhere close to 9.5 mm. Okay, somewhere close to 9.5 mm. How do I get that? Let's just label it first. This is 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is 9.5. So this point is just passes 9.5 mm, and the next one, the next division that's coming up is a 10. So we know that the reading, the measurement is somewhere between 9.5 mm and 10 mm. So to get a greater accuracy, we have to look at the timber reading, which is this point here. This is 16, 17, this is 18. So the timber reading is giving us 18, but 18 actually means 0.18 mm. So the true measurement, as in the actual measurement, is 9.5 plus 0.18 mm. So this is 9.68 mm. Okay, so that's the answer, 9.68 mm. Okay, question C. Again, the first step is to see where the timber begins. Just by looking at this point, we know that it's about 22, it's slightly above 22 mm. Okay, then what is the timber reading? The timber reading is 22, which is 0.22 mm, right? So if you add both values together, it's 0.22, so this is 22.22 mm. So that's the answer. Okay, question D, part D. This is a bit tricky. So just by looking at this one, you know that this is 0.5 mm, and where the timber starts is here, right? So you know that the measurement is somewhere between 0.5 mm to 1 mm, because the 1 mm division line hasn't come out yet, so you know that it has to be below 1 mm. And then what's the timber reading? The timber reading is 33. Okay, so the reading is 0.5 plus 0.33, which is 0.83 mm, and this is the answer. Alright, okay, next part E. This is where the timber starts. This is 11, so we write down 11 here, 0.00 mm. What's the timber reading? The timber reading is 1, so it's 0.01. The answer is 11.01 mm. So that's the answer as well. Part F. This is where the timber starts. This is 16, 17, 18, 19. This is 19.5. So we write down 19.5 here. The timber reading is 42. So this is 0.42. We add them both up, is 19.92 mm. So that's the answer.